Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And finally, a big hiring announcement is here. And this can be very important opportunity for freshers from the 2025 and 2026 batches. In this video, I'm going to share all the important details regarding this hiring, including the role, eligibility, expected package, hiring process, assessment pattern, and whether you should apply or not. So make sure to watch the video complete, and this update can be beneficial for many candidates who are currently looking for their first software engineering opportunity. Now, first of all, talking about the company, so the hiring announcement is coming from Revature. Many students already know about Revature because a few months ago, Revature conducted hiring programs that were connected with opportunities from companies like Cognizant, Virtusa, Tech Mahindra, and several other organizations. And for those who are hearing about Revature for the first time, let me explain one important thing. Revature is not a traditional product company. Their business model is slightly different. They hire candidates, provide professional technical training, and then deploy selected candidates to client companies based on project requirement and business demand. And over the last few years, candidates trained through this revision have been deployed to multiple companies, including Cognizant, Virtusa, Tech Mahindra, and other IT organizations. That's why many students keep an eye on revision hiring announcements. And talking about the latest opportunity, so the role is entry level software engineer. It is a full time opportunity, and according to the hiring page, interviews are already starting. The company is accepting applications from candidates interested in software engineering roles and technical training programs. And talking about the expected package, so previous opportunities through Revature have generally offered compensation around 4 LPA. However, the final package may vary depending on the client company and project requirements. And talking about the eligibility, so candidate with a bachelor's degree can apply for this opportunity. Fresh graduates, recent pass out, and candidate from 2025 and 2026 batches can definitely consider applying. And if you meet the basic educational requirement, I would highly recommend submitting your application because opportunities like this can open multiple career paths in the future. And let's discuss the application process. So when you open the application form, first you need to select your country. India is available as an option. After that, you need to fill in your basic details such as your name, address, email address, location, educational information, and you have to upload your updated resume. And once you complete all the required fields, simply submit your application. And let's discuss the most important part, which is the hiring process. Many students keep asking what happens after applying. So, generally, the process starts with a profile screening based on the requirement of client company and available opportunities. Shortlisted candidates may receive further communication and mail from Revature, and after the initial screening, candidates are usually invited for an online assessment. And the assessment may include quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability, and communication skills, technical MCQs, basic programming concept, SQL and database questions, object oriented concepts, and coding questions. And in many cases, candidates may also have a communication assessment because communication skills play a very important role during deployment and client interviews. So, after clearing the assessment rounds, selected candidates may move to technical discussion, training programs, and further evaluation rounds depending on the client requirement. Now, one important point I want to tell you that if you are preparing for off campus opportunities, then do not prepare only for one company, whether it is Revature, Cognizant, Infosys, TCS, Wipro. The core preparation remains almost the same. You should focus on your aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, DSA, and basic basic subjects like DBMS, OOPS, computer network. Okay, and if your preparation in these areas are strong, then you will able to perform well in most of campus assessments. And now the final question, should you apply? So my answer is definitely yes. Currently hiring opportunities are not available every day. Revature provide a pathway where candidates can receive training, gain industry exposure, and potentially get deployed to leading IT companies. So, if you are actively looking for opportunities, there is no reason to skip this application. The application link will be available in description, and make sure you apply as soon as possible because hiring requirements can close anytime and we don't know how long this is going to be live, so apply as early as you can. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join our WhatsApp groups. The link will be given in description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.